So I had to replace the power steering pump on my 2002 2500 HD Chevy Duramax. Now, you would think maybe it's because the pump itself was no good, making noise, bad, but no. The reason I had to replace this, believe it or not, is because right in there, this rusted old thing had a pinhole in it. And I was leaking, well, it was probably more in a pinhole because it was leaking pretty good. So I replaced it with a genuine GM, because if it wouldn't have been for the rust, this old girl would probably still be going. But I just wanted to show you that. This is what we deal with. You have to replace parts a lot of times around here just because of rust. That's what it is. So, okay, thanks for watching.